This is going to be a fast video on how to fix the lid switch. I went to, on a washing machine, I went to get the load out yesterday and everything was soaking wet. It had washed it, but it had not spun. So I thought maybe a new machine, and then I looked down in here and there's nothing there. The switch is gone. The whole tab's broke off. So I went to the parts store today. I got one. Basically, gonna pop this cover off here on both sides, and then there's a screw right here on both sides that we're gonna remove. Okay, then the lid flips back. Take a screwdriver into this clip, pop that, excuse the dirt. Get the clip in there, pop that out. There's a plug right here. Pop that out. At this point, the whole front of the machine, we're just going to grab it and we're going to rotate it out. The switch on this machine, as you can see, it was completely broke. The screw holes were busted away. They go up here. There's the inside of that lid. You would take the screws out and pull it out. But this one was busted. So basically, I'm going to squeeze this and I'm going to pop the plug through, pull the wires out, and put the new one in. You'll see there's a ground lead and you'll see where it bolts on. And the new one came with this tube that goes under a couple of clips. So just reroute the new one the way the old one came out. Got the top back on. It just slid right in place. Got the new one screwed in. There's the switch. Now for the top, trying to do this through the camera lens isn't easy. On that side. On that side. Lay the top back over. Screw it down in. So, let's test it now. I got the lid back on. Pull that out. See, it's all secure. Take our screwdriver. And I got to spin. It's going to stop hard. So, there's more videos out there from other people if you want more detail. This was just a quick get you done, get it working. So, this is TDS Racing. Please subscribe, and you all have a wonderful day.